A little video just to show where you can find a lot of online learning material which is free, which is great. So in Google, if you can just type in GCF Global and search, and then click on this one, free online learning at GCF Global. Now on here, normally I go straight here on the right hand side to topics, click on those three little lines. You've got everything here from basic skills in computing for people to know how to use the tablets, the smartphones, CV, career writing, job searching, graphic design, photography, internet skills, core skills, grammar, etc. Online safety, social media, so much stuff on here. I use these things all the time with my learners. Microsoft, for example, I'm going to go straight now to Word. What's great about this is not only it's got Word tips, it's also got things for Word 2016, 13, 2010, even down to Word 2000. I don't know who's got that anymore, but somebody might have them. So, for example, Word 2013, I'm going to do a left click on this. You've got a YouTube playlist. So what this does, it collates all the handouts, everything that you have in here, tutorials, all in as a YouTube playlist, and you can watch them as a film rather than reading and going through the text here. So you can just click on this. I'm just going to scroll down. You've got all the basics here, how to buy Office, etc. Understanding Office 365, which we're using now. And as I said, you can just go through, getting to know Word, how to open documents. There's a lot of basic things in here. And then obviously, the further you go down, the more complicated and things get, I suppose. Here, hyperlinks, you can see there's a tick here. I've already been on here before, so it will remember you. And you can just, revisit whenever you want. So that's a really good thing. Just because you've done one of these things, it will show you that you've been there, but it doesn't restrict you from going back into any of these things. So I'm just going to click here on hyperlinks. Gives you an introduction, and then it will show you about a little video if you want to watch that. Same as the YouTube video. Just click here. You then can go through this at your own pace. Everything that you see which is in bold is what you need to do. So you go through all of this. It's nice. It's a nice clean layout. I normally use this a great deal and print them out for my learners as well. So when you go through this, right at the bottom, what's really good is there's a challenge. There's a challenge for each individual one. You can, for example, create a new document if you want, or you can use their practice document. And this is for everything, PowerPoint, Excel, etc., covering letters. There's loads of different templates for you to click on. And there's a challenge in each one. Then you just click on continue. But I would definitely recommend for you to use this. I use it a great deal. If you don't want to read, if you don't want to watch the video, if you don't want to read on screen, you can always print them out if you want as well. So definitely recommend this website, gcflearnfree.org. As I said, GCF Global. Definitely recommend it.